On behalf of Student Health and Wellness, we wish you and your student a warm welcome to the UConn family. For many students, college marks the first time they take full responsibility for their health and wellness. Through our brief presentation, we hope to communicate that we have a wide range of health and wellness resources on the STORE's campus to help your Husky be well, feel well, and do well during their time with us. To get us started, we would like to share a brief virtual tour which highlights the people, places, and
Dear
services of
parents
Student
and
Health
new
and
students,
Wellness.
welcome to the virtual tour of the services provided by Student Health and Wellness on the STORE's campus. At Student Health and Wellness, we have over 120 well-trained professional staff who help students be well, feel well, and do well. Consider us your students' first point of contact for accessing care and maintaining their health and well-being while they're in STORES. We have 3 locations on campus. Medical services are located at the Hilda May building in the north end of campus, close to North Garage. Mental health is in our Hoana building in the southern part of campus across from Mirror Lake. Right next to it is Wilson Hall, where health promotion is housed. All STORES-based students have access to the services provided at all 3 locations. We offer 24-hour access to a counselor for mental health crises and a nurse for medical advice. Now we are in the waiting room. To make an appointment, students just need to call us. We provide comprehensive primary care services through a fee-for-service model. Students can also access services at no additional charge. For example, a nurse can answer health questions. Students can get individual wellness coaching and physical activity counseling. We have dietitians that students can consult about various issues, including specific nutrition-based needs. Our nurses offer immunization, allergy injections, and a variety of screenings. Several tests are performed on site, which allows convenience. Lab tests can be ordered from our medical staff or outside providers. We also provide basic diagnostic X-ray with orders from our providers. In the event the student requires additional care, we even provide extended stay or overnight care through our infirmary. On the ground floor of the Hilda May building, students can pick up medication from our pharmacy. Students can fill new prescriptions or refill an existing one, and even buy over-the-counter medicine for discounted prices. Here in our Hoana building, we offer an array of options personalized to meet the needs of students. There are a number of services included in the Student Health and Wellness fee, including mental health screening, consultation, yoga, meditation, mindfulness, crisis support, and clinical case management. Students can schedule their appointment over the phone or on our webpage. In Wilson Hall on South Campus, we offer health education programs throughout the year on topics such as sexual health, alcohol and other drug education, and how to create a wellness plan to help students achieve their academic and personal goals. Here, we collaborate with students interested in wellness innovations, helping them to develop their ideas into real-life wellness solutions. Our health promotion team also develops initiatives to support a healthy community environment on campus. We have programs supporting students in or seeking recovery from substance use and other behavioral health disorders. Transitioning to college is an exciting opportunity for your new Husky to make a commitment to their well-being. Rest assured that the UConn community is here to support them. We want them to be well, to feel well, and to do well. Welcome to the UConn family.
Student Health and Wellness, otherwise known as SHaW, uses an integrated model to provide comprehensive care and services to our students. This holistic approach connects students to quality medical and mental health care and provides them with opportunities to learn to make choices that positively affect their overall well-being. In order to do this, we have a team of specialists who have extensive training and experience in the college health setting and can meet the unique needs of college students. In addition to the exceptional training of our staff, Student Health and Wellness aspires to the above values in pursuit of our mission to support the optimal well-being of all UConn students. Underlying our work in SHaW is a deep commitment to promoting an equitable and accessible practice of care that promotes human rights and dignity for all. To advance our continued growth and progress in this area, we have established an Office of Health Equity and Access to Care and strive to meet the highest standards set by the Healthcare Equity Index, which promotes equitable and inclusive care for LGBTQ+ students. Our department is also accredited by AAAHC, the Accreditation Association for Ambulatory Healthcare, and the International Accreditation of Counseling Services. In addition, we are proud to have a doctoral internship in professional psychology, which is accredited through the American Psychological Association. These accreditations help us fulfill our commitment to deliver exceptional, student-centered services at all times. Our care services and programs fall under 4 service lines that aspire to create a supportive and seamless experience for your student. We provide an array of medical care services, including annual exams, allergy shots, and preventative immunizations, as well as treatment for acute illnesses and injuries. We have overnight care and a 24/7 nurse advice line. Our team of physicians, nurse practitioners, registered nurses, registered dietitians, and other college health specialists are dedicated to making sure your student receives the best care possible. We have a pharmacy right on campus, where your student can have any medication prescribed by our team conveniently filled. We also stock the pharmacy with commonly used over-the-counter medications and other medical supplies that students can walk in to purchase or order from our online marketplace for a convenient curbside pickup. We offer a wide range of mental health services to support the emotional well-being of students. Services include wellness resources, individual and group therapy, walk-in access, clinical case management, psychiatric medication management, and access to 24/7 mental health support. Our team of therapists understand the complexities of student life and provide a supportive and confidential environment to help students when they are struggling with behavioral health issues. Students can schedule a mental health screening by calling the office, or if they prefer, many students can schedule online through their My Health portal. We offer a solution-focused brief treatment model designed to address your students' current needs and have clinical case managers who can help to connect them to a therapist in the community if they want or need more intensive or specialized support. Our health promotion team focuses on creating a culture of health and wellness at UConn so that students run into wellness and are supported in making healthy decisions wherever and whenever they engage with the campus community. We accomplish this through comprehensive needs assessment, coalition building, and student innovation. Health Promotion supports our Wellness Coalition, which is a group of faculty, staff, and students who facilitate conversation and joint action on health and wellness priorities identified by our students. The Health Promotion team also offers recovery support services, group and individual alcohol and other drug prevention education programs, stress management events, and sexual health educational programming. As referenced during the video tour, Student Health and Wellness is committed to providing services to students when they are needed, which includes both when our offices are open during the day and times when our buildings are closed. If your student is experiencing a medical concern and not sure if it can wait, we encourage them to call the advice nurse. Medical care advice nurses are skilled professionals who can answer questions and assist them in determining the right next steps for their care. Similarly, we offer mental health support 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. If your student is experiencing an urgent mental health issue or is concerned about a friend who is, they can call the mental health support line to connect with a mental health practitioner. In addition to providing care in our buildings and round-the-clock access to providers for urgent needs, the Student Health and Wellness team conducts outreach and education across campus. This enables us to interact with students in their own spaces and help them feel more comfortable about reaching out to us when they need our services. Our services and programs are designed to promote a healthy lifestyle during your students' time at college and for years to come. Many of the services we provide are supported by the Student Health and Wellness fee, with no additional charge to your student. This includes mental health screening and crisis services, 24/7 advice nurse coach wellness visits, outreach, health education, and health promotion programs. Other direct care services follow a fee-for-service billing model, similar to your private physician or mental health provider's office, and are billed through medical, behavioral health, or prescription insurance. We never want finances to be a perceived or actual barrier to care, so please call us or have your student call us with any questions about billing or insurance. We hope by now that you're realizing just how committed we are to your students' health and well-being. What sets us apart from your regular healthcare provider is that we are connected with resources across campus and in the community that we can help your students access in order to meet both general and specialized health and wellness needs. We work hard to create a safety net for our Huskies. These campus and community relationships help us assist your student in a rapidly changing landscape. If your student needs support, no matter which office they connect with first, staff at UConn are dedicated to getting them the services they need to achieve their health, academic, and professional goals. You play a very important role in helping your student transition to life as a UConn Husky. There will be normal types of stress and adjustment issues they will experience when they come to UConn, and there is a good chance there will be bigger challenges that may overwhelm your student. They will likely call home when faced with illness, injury, or other issues affecting their well-being. Following are a few tips along with opportunities to engage with your student before and during the fall semester about their well-being. As we'll discuss in the next section, your student will be required to submit a health history form and immunization records to SHaW this summer. This is an excellent opportunity to talk to them about their physical and mental health, as well as brainstorm different strategies for managing their health and wellness while they are in college. You have a wealth of insight into how your student manages new situations and stress, as well as how they navigated those situations successfully. This is a great opportunity to remind your student of their strengths and how they might apply them to make new friends and create a sense of belonging in their new community. If your student is managing a specific health concern, please call us so that we can help transition care to the STORS area. Help your student be an advocate for themselves. Talk with them about how to access health care. Even something as simple as knowing where their insurance card is and how to make an appointment with a health provider may be a first-time experience. Once the fall semester begins, you continue to be a vital source of support to your student and a critical bridge as they build their social network in a new place. Try to schedule regular check-ins and be available when they call. If they are upset or stressed, providing an empathetic and validating ear goes a long way to reminding them they are not alone. Empower your student to define next steps and ask if they need additional support. Remember, we're here to help you and your student. Encourage them to connect with the UConn resources that will help them manage their challenges. Before we wrap up talking about tips to support your student, we'll touch on privacy and confidentiality, as we know this is a big change in the relationship you have with your student about their health care. In accordance with federal regulations and as a condition of licensure for our health providers and mental health clinicians, all medical and mental health care at Student Health and Wellness for students 18 years and older is confidential. As a parent or guardian, you will not receive access to your student's records unless your student provides written or verbal authorization to release that information. We understand that this is a big transition for you, and simultaneously a vital step for your student as they take full ownership for their health and well-being. Additionally, for our international students, any personal health information, including the services they access or what they share in those spaces, will not affect their visa or be shared with the government. As we close our presentation, we're going to discuss a few items new students will need to take care of prior to starting the fall semester. These items enable us to provide them with the best care possible and ensure our whole community can be well. In order to protect the health of our community, as well as meet State of Connecticut general statutes and UConn regulations, every full-time student is required to provide proof of adequate immunization or screening for certain infectious diseases. Prior to July 1st, your student will need to upload immunization information and complete the health history form that is available on the student health portal at myhealth.yukon.edu. We take the health of our community very seriously. Consequently, failure to provide this information will result in a hold being placed on your student's account, which restricts their ability to access important campus processes and services. For a list of mandatory vaccinations, please visit our website. All incoming students are required to complete Alcohol EDU. Alcohol EDU is an online, two-part interactive prevention program for college students that empowers them to make well-informed, safe decisions about alcohol in order to be successful at UConn. Even if your student chooses not to drink, they may be around others who do drink. Alcohol EDU provides students with information and techniques to reduce the risk of harm that they or someone else may experience related to alcohol. An email will be sent to students' UConn email accounts in early August with instructions how to access Part 1 of their Alcohol EDU training. It is important for students to complete Part 1 by August 24th, so that Part 2 becomes available 45 days later. There is an immovable intersession between Part 1 and Part 2, so completing Part 1 on time is what sets them up to be able to complete Part 2 before registration for spring classes. If your student has questions or concerns about Alcohol EDU, we encourage them to check out our frequently asked questions page or email alcoholedu@yukon.edu for assistance. Health insurance is another important topic for new students. It is a UConn requirement that all full-time students have medical insurance coverage. As such, all full-time anticipated students are automatically enrolled in and charged for the annual UConn Student Health Insurance Plan. This fee is billed to the student fee bill. If your student would like to stay enrolled in the Student Health Insurance Plan, there is nothing they need to do. Students have the option to waive the Student Health Insurance Plan if they are covered under another medical insurance plan, such as a parent or guardians. To waive enrollment in the Student Health Insurance Plan, students must complete the online insurance waiver. The online waiver is accessed through their PeopleSoft student admin account. The waiver is available on or around June 1st through September 15th. You and your student can visit the Insurance Info section of our website to learn more about the Student Health Insurance Plan and for instructions on how to decline enrollment in the Student Health Insurance Plan. We know we provided you with a lot of information today. To review the information covered in this presentation and for the most up-to-date information about student health and wellness, please visit our website for new students. This site contains additional information and frequently asked questions relevant to accessing our services. We will also have a table at Information Expo in the bookstore from 4 to 5 p.m. This is a great opportunity to speak with our team members in person about services to support your students' health and wellness. Thank you so much for joining us for this session. Transitioning to college is an exciting opportunity for your Husky to make a commitment to their well-being. Rest assured that the UConn community is here to support them. We want them to be well and to know what that means for them. We want them to feel well, to get the most out of their experience here, and we want them to do well, to access the resources and support services they need to succeed personally, academically, and professionally. Welcome to the UConn family.